Good afternoon, and thank you for allowing me to be part of your faculty meeting this afternoon. I would have much preferred to do that in person. However, I thought it would be much more efficient if I were able to share this video with all of the buildings today. That way, we're able to all share in this information at the same time and consistently. My name is David Leese, and I'm the new technology director for the school district. I started last year, right after Christmas break in January, and since then, it became very quickly apparent to me what a wonderful and special place Northport is. I've had the opportunity to meet with many of you over the last several months and throughout the summer, and I know there's still so many more of you that I need to connect and meet with. I'm looking forward to those opportunities as we continue to go through our year and grow together. In the meantime, I was hoping that I can use our time today to share some important resources, guides, and the support that's available to you as we navigate the school year. Last week was very exciting. Welcoming our students back is always a very special time for us. Reviving the buildings after they've been dormant and quiet, even though we're busy moving things around and getting ready, it's always nice to have you and the students back in the buildings. I thought I'd start a little bit about sharing our structure department. Over the last spring and summer, we've made some changes in our staffing, primarily with how we structure our technology technician support and our instructional supports for all of you in your buildings through the introduction of our Future Forward teachers. Primarily, our office staff has stayed the same. In the technology office and district office, we have our administrative staff, which is myself, and we have Gail Bassey, who you may be familiar with for e-school data problems and other issues, as well as Jane Conwell, who's our administrative support assistant. In addition to that, each of your buildings have a designated technician, and leading those technicians are our technician manager, Gus Fradilakis, and our network engineer, Keith Green. They're both located at WJDB. And as I previously mentioned, we're introducing to you this fall our Future Forward teachers. The Future Forward teachers have been created because we recognize the importance and need to support our students in the future of their learning and in the future skills that they're going to need to be successful as they go out into the world. Some of the names you'll have recognized as part of the ITRT team, but I want to assure you that a lot of thought went into this vision and the transformation of this role. And part of that we'll be going over as I continue to talk with you, and how the structure of how we will approach supporting you all in the district, both from a technical perspective and an instructional perspective, look and where you're able to access the resources for each of your needs. Starting with the Future Forward teachers, I just wanted to anchor them in their role and purpose. We're looking at master educators at being available to provide us and work with us as collaborators and coaches, helping us to look at data specifically for building personalized learning experiences in the classroom. These folks will have access to our new data dashboard tool, EduClimber, and they'll be able to work with you one-on-one on accessing all of your student data in order to make important and real-time decisions in the classroom. They'll be a critical part of our professional learning communities, participating and facilitating groups around all of these domains. They'll be helping you to incorporate digital fluency and digital citizenship concepts into your teaching and learning settings. And lastly, they'll be working very closely with your libraries to help build capacity in research and digital literacy as well. One of the other things that I'm hoping to accomplish here is to help you have an easy flow and how to access the support that you need, whether it be technical or instructional. So we've created a workflow diagram that really encompasses who to go to and where to go depending on what your need is within the department. This infographic is something that will be available to you from the Technology District website, and you will very clearly be able to map out a direction of who you should call or where you should go depending on the help that you need. Another big shift that you'll notice is the introduction of our help desk system, Incident IQ. That's going to be a primary hub. I know it's a huge shift and it's something that we're not typically used to. I promise that we will be providing support to help you get into the system and be able to access and utilize the system. I really and truly believe that this system is going to allow us to be most efficient in the use of our placement of technicians and how we're responding to the needs in the district. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any suggestions you have. I fully expect that as we go through the year, that things may come up that we may need to evolve or tweak within the system so they better support the need to ask for help. Additionally, there have been questions about how do I access my future forward technology specialist and what are the things that they're going to be doing to support us? Well, holistically through the technology department, we've created this nice little chart. It's almost like your menu for who to pick for what in the technology department. This is also going to be made available on the district technology website. And very quickly, it goes through a lot of the different areas of work that are encompassed within the technology department and where to go for those different types of support and help. Again, most of your technical support needs are going to be addressed through the help desk system. But if it's something administrative or related to eSchool data, you may be calling our district office technology team. Or if it's something that's instructionally based or something that you're looking to do work in the classroom or build some capacity there, you're very likely going to be reaching out to your FTs. However, this does a very good job of really giving you a good example of the types of work in the department and who you're going to connect with to accomplish those things. Lastly, I wanted to provide you with a list of resources and important links. In addition to our Northport IT YouTube channel, which is filled with many great resources and video how-tos on myriad things that we encompass every day, from printing on the Konica printers with your badge to accessing Google Classroom and everything in between. Please take advantage of these resources. They're there for you. In addition to that, we've started building out a technology playbook, and the intent here is that you'll have a one-stop shop of all of our instructional technology resources, including a full library of all the instructional technology tools that the district subscribes to and their availability, resources for requesting new technology tools, applications, and software if we don't have something or you're looking to integrate something new as well. So please, take advantage of all these tools. All of these links can be reached through the staff website and the IT resources. So use those areas to reach out to that. If you have any questions, please connect with your building technician or your building FFT. They also can point you to all of these resources. Again, I want to thank you for your time this afternoon. I'm very grateful to be here and be working with all of you. And I know together we will progress with innovation at our fingertips and do everything we can to support you and our students. Have a great rest of your day.